Here you are, guys. It's 6th of December 2023 and a massive jam in Donggongon already started. Actually, the event, the special event is only starting tomorrow, 7, 8 and 9. But look at this. The jam has started. Good luck, guys. Good luck, people. Here is Lorong Buhavan. It's already closed starting from the 6th. It's closed. So this is Lorong Buhavan. It's closed right up to the end. There. Right to the end. Good luck, fellas. Every available space is fitted with big tents. These tents here in front of restaurant Mazuin is fully aircon. Nice. You have some walkways at the back, but let's see. Okay, you have some walkway here, still empty of people. Event starts tomorrow, and this is my favorite place to buy 4-digit. Bought 3-1 and Sports Toto. Oh, today is draw day, but still not many people. Okay, and small walkway here, just enough for one person. Oh, see, look like just enough for one person. Two. Okay, okay. They should chop this tree also lah. Put a tent on it. Nice. Yeah, more tents, more aircon tents. There are supposed to be 300 garage here. 300. And plus the shops, plus all this. So all the parking space are already taken up by all these operators. So for the customers, you fly into town tomorrow. Oh, this look at this one. Good enough parking space for you here. I mean, walking space for the pedestrians. Oh, here is the rehearsal for the ikrar for the arrival of PNX at Donggongon. This is Buhavan Square. Ikrar. Okay. And here are all the lots of garage and booths in Buhavan Square. HPPK 2023. Nice. And the next touch screen for people to view the PMX on the 8th, next after tomorrow. This is the well-known place. And more stalls there. And VIP tables for their dinner or lunch at night. And I'm gonna go today. I'm gonna go over the road that is closed. Something interesting down there. Very interesting. This is the second street that is closed, and I didn't know why before. Now I know. One side of the street where the parking lot used to be are also fit with garage. Hundreds of them. Yeah. Hundreds of them. And here's the garage all along the street. The problem, my dear people, is this. Along the street, below that, somewhere down there, are the drains for the street drains. And those drains are generally smelly. So here we are, all along here. This street is closed. It's also underneath the umbrellas. We got tons of garage. Yeah, let me put her in there. She's inspecting the town. And there's the other end of the garage. All along the street is closed. And you're putting all the garage near the drain, which produce quite a nice perfume. So macam ni adik, itu garai-garai dekat itu parit, ada perfume tu parit tu.
Ya, wangi.
Ya, wangi lah. So jangan expect saya pergi beli bala dari sana. So,
Semua barang
yalah, sorry lah. Nah, sudah wangi itu parit sana. Cuma pakai mask sudah ini. So along the street, you have a row of garage also, because you're gonna have put 300 total of this garage all over this town. Okay, and the smelly part of the drain is on the right side here. It's pink. There it is here. You see this parit here? It's broken slab, and the smell gets out from those holes, especially here and there. This is the smelly drain. See? Anyone tells me it smells of shit, it comes from the toilet. And that's where you're smelling when you go and see this garage. When is the town is ever going to improve the hygiene? Forever smelling. And you have to close this. About 200 over parking space have to be closed. And where are these traders going to park their own car? When the car park that you need to park your car to trade is also the stall. So best thing is you find a place to park on the top. Yeah, she's limpas again. She's inspecting. So you park your car on top of the building lah, in the sky. Good. Or you fly into town. That's my suggestion. Fly like a bird. And the mall, which is along the same row as the our Dato punya statue there, is now hidden. Even the Dato's statue is now surrounded with stall. Oh, these are the high class punya stall. GTR burger, homemade pau Selangor. Wih, Negeri Sembilan pun ada, Melaka pun ada, apa lagi, Johor pun ada. Oh, this is the high class store. And you also got a stage in here. Wow, stage sini sana, the stalls here. Here is my favorite, the hardware shop, Gunung. And behind there is the new mural. Buah Hizam mural. They got another stage here, so that everybody can see the PMX launch the speeches. And okay, and even the dining place also behind the statue. So there are stalls everywhere here. The whole town is full of stalls. So you expect a biggest crowd. I hope the Omicron from Malaya doesn't turn up here. Yeah, I don't see people wearing masks except me. So the stall is everywhere. It's full. There you go, guys. This is what Donggongon town looks like in the month of December. This is the 6th of December. Oh, here the blue store right up to the end. Oh, it's cluttered. Cluttered. Oh, what is? Ui. Oh, let's see. You got Pahang, you got Terengganu. Oh, the whole step also from Malaya turn up. Even Kelantan also turn up to Donggongon. And Pulau Pinang and Perlis. Wow. So Perlis also turn up to Donggongon. Fantastic. Okay. Now let's go and see here. Kementerian Usahawan dan Koperasi. Hari Penjaja. Oh, ada. Okay lah. And I just stepped on a stone. It nearly broke my foot. So stall right up there. So I just wonder. And you have to pay quite high rental for this store, I'm told. I wonder. 1,000 a day. And you have a lot of Penjaja. Where is the customers? Fantastic. This is, of course, Dragon and Chingfa. And this road is already closed. Okay, the end also is closed. And there's another big tent here, special for aircon tent. And of course a standby power generator if there's a blackout. And of course its entrance here is already closed. This is still the 6th of December, which is my special day. Oh, and this is the car park of Sabah Credit. And tomorrow also they'll be closing it. They also have a function here tomorrow. Oh, they have a Christmas tree day. Right? Now let's go out to the main road. See how's the traffic in the evening. Usual at the moment. Okay. There's a bit of a queue. I think the car park here is still allowed tomorrow on the main road. The parking bays are not closed. This is the main road, the Donggongon road. Okay, but definitely even now the road is already congested. We got the traffic jam. So good luck tomorrow, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Evening and it's traffic jam. Main road of Donggongon. And why? Because everyone has to bring your own car into town. Visitors, how to come to town tomorrow? There is no minibus, definitely no taxi. Grab may be good, but I don't know how many Grab drivers are still around. Good, everything is packed and congested. So this is the evening of the 6th. The evening before the big day on 7, 8, and 9. Good luck to the traffic. Good luck, good luck.